Bonjour.
Bonjour. Bonjour tout le monde. Comment ça va?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Bonjour,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Morning,
How are
ma'am.
you all? Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Bonjour to everyone. Okay, so children, we were doing chapter number 1. We have completed chapter 1.
Yes, ma'am. Almost.
Yes, almost we've completed. No, almost or completed fully.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have done exercise and we have done the notebook.
I believe the last exercise is left.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is very important because that exercise needs a little brainstorming as well. Okay, just tell me exercise 1 is done, exercise 2 is done, right? What about the third exercise? Look at page number 20.
2 exercises are done.
Only 2 exercises are done. Okay, let's come on to the third exercise. The third exercise is retrouver les mots. Now, what is retrouver? Retrouver is find. Trouver is to find, and retrouver is like reframe or refine. Re stands for the same thing like we have in English: redo, remake. Okay, so it's retrouver les mots. What is mot? Mot is words. So we have to remake these words. Just look at these words. How many of you in the class do not have the book? Yes, Pratishtha?
But in the stop.
Yes?
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
actually, I that it was not in the stop.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I provided you the PDF last week.
Yes, ma'am. I have that.
You have that PDF? Is it solved?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
PDF is solved.
Yes, ma'am.
These exercises are solved in the PDF?
No, ma'am.
No, okay. If they're not solved, please one of you again share the PDF on the class group so that other students can also have it.
But the exercise is not there.
Yes, Atulya?
Ma'am, exercise is not there.
Yes. Exercise is not there. Okay, Pratishta, you have the PDF in which we have all the exercises? Okay, share the PDF. First, one of you.
Ma'am, I have sent on the group.
You have sent?
Ma'am,
I have shared.
Ma'am, I have also shared the exercise also and the lesson.
Okay, just wait. Let me check.
Ma'am, I think we were doing the fourth one.
We were doing the fourth one. The third has been done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What do you say, Soham Agarwal? The third has been done.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, we have done till this. Ma'am, we have done till hello and then we have to write salute and then good night, then bon.
Now in that case, all of you, I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve the next exercise. Next is you have to unjumble these words. It's a simple one. Just try to do all of them. Okay, hurry up and then we'll discuss. And beta, all the students who are sitting with the cameras off, please put them on.
Ma'am, I can't open my camera because I'm seeing PDF.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have split screen so that I can open the camera also and see the video.
Okay, very nice.
Ma'am, I can tell the first and second one.
Ma'am, I can tell the first and second one. I can also.
Beta, just wait. Don't tell right now. Let everybody try to do it. I'll ask you. Don't worry.
So, ma'am, we can write in copy then.
Yes, we have to do it in the copy.
I have already first one.
Okay, children, done? Done, beta? Nobody is answering. Why? Still doing? If you're still doing, say, ma'am, still doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Done.
Okay, what is the first word?
Ma'am,
Yes. Anybody can say. All of you unmute yourself and say.
bonjour.
Salute. Very good. The first word is salute. Second,
Ma'am, bonjour.
bonjour. Very nice.
Bonjour.
Third word,
Mercy.
merci. Very good. Third word, merci.
Merci.
Means thank you. Fourth word,
Yes.
Au revoir.
okay, it's au revoir. What do we say? Au revoir.
Au revoir. Au revoir.
Au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye. And the last one,
Bonne nuit.
bonne nuit, meaning good night. Okay. Done? Now, coming on to the
Yes,
next one. Coming on to the next one. What is the meaning of the first question? If you translate it in English, how would you translate it?
And what is fourth one?
Okay, the fourth one, let me read out. Trouver les réponses. Trouver les réponses is find the answers. The first question,
Simple words.
Okay.
And what is the answer?
Answer of first one.
Ma'am, fourth one in jumble words.
Okay, fourth one is au revoir. AUREVOIR, meaning goodbye.
हाँ.
Now, what is the first question of the fourth part? Yes, fourth part, first question. Comment tu t'appelles? Who will tell me the meaning of this?
Ma'am, what is your name?
Very nice. How do you call yourself? Okay, Lavanya, can you tell me? We ask it formally or informally? How do we ask it?
Ma'am, I can tell. Ma'am,
Yes.
come out you informal.
Soham, once again.
Ma'am, come out you the palace informal.
Very nice. Very nice. It is asked informally. And suppose you have to ask it formally, then how do you ask?
Ma'am, comment appelez-vous?
Very nice. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous?
Comment vous appelez?
No. Comment? Everybody say. Comment
Comment
vous appelez
vous appelez?
vous?
Comment vous appelez?
Comment vous appelez-vous?
Comment vous appelez?
Appelez-vous.
Yes. Comment vous appelez-vous is formal. Now, what is the reply? How would you reply this question? Comment tu t'appelles? What is the reply of this question? Who will tell me the reply of this question?
Tell the name. Ma'am, just we have to tell our name.
Yes. So how would you reply?
Lavanya Singh Kitoy.
Very nice. Je m'appelle and your name. Okay, write this question and the answer in your copies. Let's discuss the next also. Wait. Comment allez-vous? Who will tell the meaning of comment allez-vous? Soham, Tatishta, Lavanya, wait, don't write. What is the meaning of comment allez-vous?
Ma'am, it's how are you?
Yes. Now, how are you, formal or informal?
Ma'am, it's informal.
No. Wherever we have vous, V-O-U-S, it is always formal. Okay?
Okay.
It is always asked to a person older to you. Now, one more thing, if you want to ask somebody how he is about his well-being, how would you ask it informally? It's comment ça va? Comment
Yes,
ça va?
ma'am.
Okay? And formal is comment allez-vous? What is the reply of comment allez-vous?
Ma'am, that I'm fine. Just to tell how we are.
How would you reply? Tell me. If you are fine, what will you say? There were so many ways of replying, telling me I'm fine, I'm good, I'm not good, I'm bad. Anything. You can use anything.
I'm something like that. Sava being.
Very good. Ça va bien? Merci. Simple.
Yes.
Yes. Fine, thank you. Like in English, we say ça va bien, merci. Okay? Now write it. Do both these questions and write their answers in the copy.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to do fifth one and fourth one ourselves.
Yes, beta? What?
We have to tell in fourth one informal or formal.
Yes. Depends on the question. If it is asked informally, you have to answer like that. If it is asked formally, the answer would be like that. But it depends on the question, more on the question. The reply is the same. It's common in both the cases.
Ma'am, in this we have to write that how we will reply that question.
No.
In
Which
the
one are
fourth
you
one.
asking, beta? Which one are you asking?
Fourth one.
No, fourth one. Which part? First or second?
First part.
The question is comma tuta pel. Now, what is comma tuta pel? How do you call yourself? Your reply would be same, beta. Even if it is
Okay.
asked formally or informally.
Ma'am, I have written in front of it informal.
Yes, this is informal way of asking, but beta, आप answer तो लिखोगे ना? This is not the answer. Okay, you have to write the answer in French only.
So now we have to write.
Je m'appelle and your name. The question
Okay,
is,
ma'am.
how do you call yourself in English? Answer would be, Je m'appelle Pratishtha. I call myself Pratishtha.
I mean, both we have to write Jamavel.
Why, beta? Second question is, how are you? So in that you will reply, how you are. Beta done or still doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Still doing? Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Soham, Pratishtha and other students still doing? Yash, Atulya, Aradhya.
Ma'am, it's about to complete. Ma'am, in fourth one there is written comma Alice Wu. So ma'am, we have to write it. So ma'am, what is the answer?
Okay. What is the question? First of all, translate the question in English.
Comma Alice Wu. Ma'am, how
No,
are you?
tell me. Yes, how are you? So how are you going to reply?
I am
In French? Okay. So we learned so many different ways of telling we are fine, we are very fine, we are very good, we are not good. You can use any one of that.
Ma'am, we can
Use.
Kava be mercy ito.
Yes. No, don't write etwa. Just ça va bien, merci.
Okay, ma'am. In the second one of the fourth one, we have to write Jamapel, Pratishtha. It was.
Je m'appelle Pratishtha. That's it. Je m'appelle Pratishtha. What is your name? My name is Pratishtha.
Ma'am, what we have to do in fifth one? Question.
Okay, everyone has done the fourth question.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The fifth question is mettez le dialogue en ordre. Mettez is to put the dialogue in order. Now, first of all, how do we do these kind of questions? We first translate every dialogue in English. Okay? Just translate all the dialogues in English first. And then we are going to put them in the correct order as to which dialogue would have been delivered first, then second, and followed by the others. Translate all of them in English first. Hurry up. I will ask the English translation from all of you. Malik Varsi, Manraj, Hamza, Atulya, Aradhya, Yash, and Asfa. All of you.
Ma'am, we have to write English translate and copy of them.
No. Just in the book, just for your own this thing. Convenience, you have to translate it in English. Beta translated all of them in English. Julie Legrand. Julie Legrand is a name. Okay, let's leave that. It can't be translated. Bonjour, monsieur means good morning, sir, or good morning, mister. Bonjour, madame. Good morning, madam.
Ma'am.
Vous vous appelez comment? Vous vous appelez comment is? What is vous vous appelez comment? How do you?
Can you please repeat it again?
Call yourself.
Yes, how do you call yourself? Beta, which one do you want me to repeat? All of them from the beginning?
No, ma'am.
No, Pratishtha wanted me to repeat something.
Yes, ma'am. I was asking that which one you told it. Told that how are you?
How are
Yes,
you? It's vous vous appelez comment? Vous vous appelez comment? Is how do you call yourself? Then it is je m'appelle Christophe Morin. I call myself Christophe Morin. And what is the last one?
Etwa, madam.
What is the last one? Read out the last one.
Etwa, madam.
Yes, very good. It's not et toi. What is it, beta? A vous. And you, ma'am. And you. There's a difference. Now this is formal. And you, madam. So according to you, which dialogue will come first? Now all of you give.
Sir. Bonjour,
Okay, it could be.
bonjour, madam.
Ma'am, first there be bonjour, madam.
Yes, very good, Soham. It will be bonjour, madame.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the
काम करना है ये वाला.
then second dialogue is bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ma'am, bonjour, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The third dialogue will be
Was that
vous appelez comment?
Mama, what is the second dialogue? Ma'am, the fourth dialogue will be Je m'appelle.
Yes.
Je m'appelle, ma'am, Christopher.
Je m'appelle. Yes. Now see beta, let me tell you the numbers from the beginning. Okay, the first dialogue is bonjour madame. Everyone has written. Then the lady will reply. The lady will reply, good morning sir. Bonjour monsieur.
Yes.
Then the lady asks, how do you call yourself? The man says, I call myself Christophe Morin. Then he asks, and you madam? Et vous madame? The last dialogue is Julie Legrand. She calls herself as Julie Legrand.
And ma'am, when vous appelez comme
Vous appelez comment is how do you call yourself?
ma'am, so this dialogue is
This
third
dialogue
one.
is yes, this is the third dialogue. Okay.
Ma'am, now we will do the A1.
Now, no. Sixth exercise we will not do. Seventh exercise we will not do. We will directly do the eighth exercise. Now, to do this eighth exercise, what you all have to do is write this exercise as it is in your copies. Then I will tell you how we are going to solve it. You have 5 minutes to write it in your copies. Then I will tell you the tip to solve it.
Ma'am, you have to write eighth exercise as it is.
Yes, beta, as it is in the copy. Raise your hand when you write it. All students who are sitting with their cameras off, I want to see your work in the class group today. I'm going to check it as the class gets completed. Whatever you have done, you have to post it in the group.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we all have to send.
Beta, I can see Soham, you and Lavanya doing the work in front of me. But rest, I don't know what students are doing with the cameras off. So I would especially want to see their work.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, all of you have done? No, still doing. Okay.
Ma'am, I can do this exercise by myself.
You can do what, beta?
Ma'am, can I do this exercise by myself?
I can't understand. What do you want to do?
I'm saying that can I do this exercise?
You want to solve it?
Yes.
Okay. Tell.
Ma'am, I'm just thinking the answer, then I will tell you.
Yes, yes. Now, what does the question mean? Chaze Lanthriu. Chaze Lanthriu means choose the odd one out. Pick the odd one out. Now, what is the odd one out in these? See, when we talk about what we have learned so far, now how you will pick the odd one out? You will either pick on the basis of number. Okay, all the things will be in singular, one can be in plural. All the things can be in plural, one can be in singular. So you have to take care of the number, singular or plural. Okay, that can be odd one out. All the things can be in masculine gender, one can be in feminine, and vice versa. Depending on the gender, all the things can be given in the kind of greeting when you meet. One can be given when you depart. So that can be picked as the odd one out. It can be like that. Okay,
Ma'am,
now
can
we
I
yes,
take the first one?
yes. What is the
Ma'am,
first one?
it
I can also
insane.
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
What, Pratishta?
Insane. Ma'am, I can't spell it. Ma'am, I can't spell it, but this is the third one. Bonjour is not, salute is not, and the I can speak the spelling. ENCHAN.
Okay, it's called enchante. So which is the odd one out?
Enchante.
No, enchante is not the odd one out. Enchante means nice to meet you. Salut means hi or hello. Bonjour means good morning. And only
Yes.
a bientôt means see you soon. So we use a bientôt while departing. Rest all we use while meeting somebody. Yes. So which is the odd one out? A bientôt. It's a bientôt. That's the odd one out. Yes. A bientôt is the odd one out.
I have circled it.
Yes. This is what you're supposed to do. Now, next one. Merci, de rien, s'il te plaît, au revoir. Tell me. Of all the words of politeness, one is the departing wish. Which is that? One word is used when you depart out of all the words of politeness. See, merci is thank you. Right? De rien is it's okay. S'il te plaît is please. These all three are words of politeness. Right? These are polite words. Au revoir means goodbye. So which is the odd one out here? Au revoir. Then, ça va, salut, ça va is fine, salut is hi, comme si comme ça, okay, okay, and pas mal, not bad. Now you tell me which is the odd one out? Is it not salut? What is salut doing in between? Hi. When all others are replies to your well-being. When you are asked how you are, what is salut doing in between? Salut is the odd one out, beta, here. Sava means fine. Okay, if I ask you how are you, you will say Sava, fine. Or you will say I'm okay, okay. Neither too good nor too bad. Or you will say not bad. Will you say hello? How are you? Will you reply me hello? Then what is the odd one out?
ma'am.
Hello is, salut is odd one out. Then next. Bonne soirée, au revoir, bonne journée, bonjour. All three are used when we leave any place or when we depart from anyone.
Bonjour is used for good evening.
Have a good evening when you leave, not when you meet somebody. Bonsoir is used when you leave the place you wish the person bonsoir, have a good evening. Then au revoir is goodbye. Again, when you leave the place. Bonne journée is have a good day. Again, when you leave that place. You wish people have a good day. And bonjour is?
And when the last one.
Good morning. Very good. The last one. Bonjour.
Ma'am, the last.
Very nice. Bonjour is the odd one out here. Then the fifth one. Monsieur. That's plural. Plural of sir. Plural of monsieur. Mesdames.
Yes,
Again plural of madame, meaning madam. Then madame is madam. Singular madam. And mesdemoiselles. Mesdemoiselles is again plural of mademoiselle.
Ma'am, it is Messer. Ma'am, first one.
Okay.
Messer.
It can be monsieur
Yes, ma'am.
also because it is masculine gender, and it can be madame also because all other are in plural forms while only madame is in singular form. So even if you mark monsieur, it is correct. If you mark